If you've ever run Facebook ads and lost money, it's probably not because Facebook ads don't work, it's because you were missing this one system. And once you understand it, running ads becomes dramatically easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how Facebook ads actually work, the biggest mistake beginners make, and the simple framework used by profitable campaigns. Let's break it down. Think of Facebook ads like a machine. You put content and data into the machine, and the algorithm finds people who are most likely to take action. That action might be buying a product, booking a call, or submitting a lead form. But here's the important part. The machine only works if you give it the right inputs. Facebook ads have 3 levels: campaign, ad set, and ad. Most beginners ignore this structure, but it's the foundation of everything. At the campaign level, you choose your objective. For example, sales, leads, or website traffic. This tells Facebook what you want the algorithm to optimize for. Next comes the ad set. This is where you control things like your audience, your daily budget, and where the ads appear. Many beginners think targeting is the most important part, but today, Facebook's algorithm does most of the targeting automatically. Your real job is giving the algorithm good creative to work with. The ad itself is what people actually see. This includes your video, your image, your headline, and your ad copy. If your ad doesn't stop people from scrolling, nothing else matters. A good ad usually has 4 parts. First, a hook. Second, a clear problem. Third, a simple solution. And finally, a call to action. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They create one ad, then they wait for results. But advertising is a testing process. You should always test multiple creatives. Different hooks, different videos, different messaging, because the goal is not to create one perfect ad. The goal is to find one winning ad out of many tests. A simple way to do this is to launch 3 to 5 different creatives, each with a slightly different angle. Then let the ads run for several days. Watch which ads generate the lowest cost per result and the highest click-through rate. Then pause the losing ads and scale the winners. Once you find a winning ad, scaling becomes easy. You slowly increase the budget and continue testing new creatives. This creates a cycle. Test, find winners, scale, repeat. And this is exactly how businesses grow profitable campaigns. Facebook ads are not about luck. They're about systems and testing. When you understand the structure and focus on creative and testing, you turn Facebook ads into a predictable growth engine. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, because I break down strategies that help businesses grow using paid advertising and modern marketing systems.